Thank you very much. As I said earlier, what we're about to do here is arguably the best and the most sophisticated fire academy in West Africa. And by the grace of God, on the 28th of May, we'll be having the groundbreaking. And we have a completion period of just 1 year to be able to deliver it. We are bringing down a lot of projects here, and we're erecting more than fire academy that is that can be compared, to the best you can get anywhere in the world. Because as I've always said, fire service is not just a profession of choice. It's a mandatory profession that we must encourage in our society. The first priority of government is to secure lives and property. And one of the biggest threats to security of lives and property is fire. And obviously fire service as well. It's not just about fire. It's about rescue service, being first responders in case of emergencies. And we believe that the potential for the industry is so massive, and that has really been tapped. So the next 1 year, by the grace of God, we are poised towards making sure that we bring out the very best out of the industry, out of this profession, and we make it a profession of envy, and also be able to create a facility where we will not just be able to meet our local training demands, but we'll be able to even export training and make this, a facility of pride to Nigeria as a country.
Are you thinking about affiliations with some organizations?
Yeah, a lot of that has already been worked out, and I can tell you in the next 1 year we'll be here, and I can assure you, by the grace of God, even before the next 1 year, in the next 6 months, we'll come here, you will come and see the progress. You will know what we're trying to do. It's the best, most conducive environment, nice training centers, even recreational centers, gym, chapel, hospitals, that is comparable with the best you can get anywhere in the world. And on 28th of May, by the grace of God, we'll be breaking the ground, for what we project. By the grace of God, will not exceed construction period of 1 year maximum.
Okay, we can see the council chairman here. Yeah. What is the relations?
Yes, it's about synergy. It's about synergy. Knowing fully well that different tiers of government, we are all part of one government, we are all part of one country. They've been very supportive. I say it on a lighter mode that they are our landlords, and they've been very worthy. They've been supportive, security, and he has even assured us that to be able to actualize what we want to actualize, the land we have here, it will not be enough, and they've accepted to assist, to collaborate by giving us extra land, to enable us to be able to actualize our dreams. So we appreciate the Kwale Area Council, we appreciate the chairman of the council, and we also appreciate our royal father. Our royal father is here. We also appreciate him for being here and giving all the necessary support, providing that communal support for infrastructure to be able to be put on ground. So we say a very big thank you. And as I say, renewed hope is a joint task. Renewed hope is everybody's business. And renewed hope, regardless of the tier of government, is about bringing Nigerians to El Dorado and bringing smile to the faces of Nigerians. And as you can see, regardless of the tier of government, we share one dream. We have one accord, and the goal is one, the vision is one, the mission is very clear: to make life better for Nigerians.
Don't we have idea of what is being
the additions?
The budget of what is being expended so far.
Well, that is not something I will be able to talk about now, because it's going to be in phases, because as I told you, we are not creating a rush project. We are creating a world-class project, and a project that Nigerians will be proud of. We have waited this long to have a fire academy of our dream as a country. And I think now that we have waited to this time, it's just normal for us to do the best that we can get anywhere in the world. Nigeria, second best is not good enough for Nigeria. Only the best is good enough, and that is what we promise to deliver to Nigerians.
The CG, sir, this firehouse was commissioned by the last minister. Why has it not been put to use?
It's working. It's working. They are using it. The one commission, the firehouse has been commissioned and it's still working. Okay. We are working.
It's all right.
Firehouse is working.
Thank you.
As protocol. Ya lo